lesson 4 for Eureka Math Squared, second grade, module 4, lesson 4. Hey, guess what? Nothing on the back. Only page 21 today. Let's draw a picture to go with this one. Mrs. Hall picked 78 green apples. Mr. Hall, not Mrs. Mr. Hall picked 78 green apples. He picks 20 fewer green apples than red apples. How many red apples does Mr. Hall pick? So let's read it again. Mr. Hall picked 78 green apples. He picks 20 fewer green apples than red apples. So it's fewer green, and he picks 78 green. So that means that's fewer. That means the number's smaller. He picks 20 fewer green apples than red apples. So we need to make this number bigger, right? We need to make this number bigger by how many? Well, by 20. So let's just do this on top real quick. I want to do a 10 and a 10. Plus 10 plus 10. So what's 78 plus our first 10 is what? 88. And 88 plus our next 10 is what? 98. So he has 98 red. Well, we have this many red and this many green. Okay? This many red, this many green. We need to know how many red apples, right? That's it. How many red apples does Mr. Hall have? Oh, we just figured it out right there. He has 98 red apples. So down here, you can say you did, write it, 78 plus 20 equals 98. Okay? Tell the teacher what you did, write out. I took the 78 green apples. I added 20 more apples because there was less green apples than red apples, so I needed more. And put that on there. All right? First, last, right? First name, last name, and then your class number. Put them up top. Help the teacher out. All right. That's it for me for this week. I'll be back next week with more. All right. Have a good day.